Princess Di, ready to shine on your timeline. And today we are going to be doing a dark purple eyeshadow look. So if you want to achieve this look, keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna start with the FENTY concealer and just put it all over the eyelid. Excuse my nail, I broke it when I was playing with my nephew today. But I'm going to take my bigger IT blending brush and use this shade right here. Put it all over the eyelid. Then I'm going to take this IT brush, the Velvet Luxe 320. Take this darker shade over here and blend it into my crease. Looks like I didn't use as much as I used on the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna take a piece of clear adhesive tape, stick it under my eye. Okay, continue using that same color and just blending it into the tape. Now that you're nice and blended, I'm going to use my Sephora brush 207, this side of it. Take this color right here and blend it into that crease color. I'm going to go a little bit farther over on my eyelid because this is going to be the primary base color. Then after that, I'm going to lay this color right here. It's a little bit darker color, and blend that on the end of that color. Once you get the colors where you want them, go ahead and blend them in. I'm gonna use this IT 320 Velvet Luxe brush again. Blend that in there. Then I'm cleaning off my Sephora 207 brush. And actually gonna go in with my Naked 3 palette and use the dust from that palette. It's like a light pink. Put it into the inner corner of my eye, which I like to call the specialty. And on the inner corner of my eyelid, I like to put it right in there too, to lighten up that area. So once you finish that, we're gonna take the Nicka New York is what it's called, or Nicka New York. I got this from an Etsy package actually, but you push it like this and it makes it like come out. It actually has something there to like pull the pressure out. And pull this across my eyelid. And I'm not necessarily the best at wicks, hint me using the tape. So if you're not too good at it, and you're like, I'm a beginner, make sure that you use the tape. Take the tape off. You have your perfect wig. I'm gonna actually pull a little bit higher. There we go. Make sure that you clean up under your under eye. I forgot to bring Q-tips in here, so I'll be right back. So now that you got the under part of your wig cleaned up, this is how the eyeshadow should look. And I'm going to put on my other eyelash, and I'll be right back. So now that you have your eyelashes on, you want to go in with a black eyeliner and go under your eye. I found it! I actually got this out of an Ipsy package as well. It's CIATÉ Wonderland. CIATÉ London Wonderland. Take that, put it at the bottom. Oh, there we go. Now I'm gonna throw on my foundation so you guys can see the final look. Hey guys, so I'm back. I got my foundation on, and this is the finished eye look. I went ahead and put on the Fenty Beauty PMS shade to complete the look. And this is it. I just have to setting spray my face. Hey guys, so this is the completed eyeshadow look.
좀 바라본 순간 나도 모르게 숨이 헉 하고 외쳐 네가 모르게 Eureka, 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 Eureka 너를 알아가고파 취한듯이 몽랑해 널 불러 네가 들리게 Eureka, 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 Eureka I'ma blow your mind I'ma show